Hello and welcome to another Scuderia Car Parts video. Today we're going to have a look at another 812, but this one is pretty special. The reason being that we have installed a full exhaust system, and what that consists of is a set of Decat pipes. We've then also got Capristo X pipe, and then we've finally got the Capristo back box. Now, what this does obviously is it will set off a check engine warning light, particularly for emissions. So what this comes with is it comes with a module that essentially cancels out the code in the car that causes the check engine warning light for emissions. Now, it doesn't affect any of the other check engine warning lights, so you're not turning that off entirely. All you're doing is you're turning off the emissions related ones. So a lot of people will say to us, oh, but if I decat the car, surely that's going to cause engine warning light. The answer is yes, it will, but with the engine warning light control module, you will then prevent that light from coming up. The other thing that this car comes with is the Capristo valve control unit. So what that allows you to do is manually override the valve control system that's in place on the car. The way that the car controls whether the valves are open or not at the moment, and this is true of all Ferraris, is something called load request. So what it will do is it will check the engine speed in RPM, obviously. It will then check the speed that the car's actually traveling at, and then finally it will also check the throttle input, and it will then calculate based on those three metrics whether or not it needs to open the valves. So that system is still retained with this exhaust, but what it also does is it gives you the remote control fob, which I will grab now, and it gives you the ability to manually override. So if we have a look here, we've got this control unit. So 1 is valves closed, 2 is valves open. So you can immediately hear that is far boomier. Let's close them. Really quiet. You know, on startup it's not going to wake the dead, but then you've now got essentially a straight through system. There is pretty much nothing between the engine and the exhaust. This sounds absolutely fantastic. What we'll do is we will now take a couple of videos of this being revved, and we will show you that actually not only is this car probably one of the craziest sounding cars in the world, it's also completely livable, and that's a really big benefit. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.